Savor with me, Filipino Pancit. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about quick and easy Filipino-inspired recipes. So for tonight, we're making a very Filipino classic dish, which is called Filipino Pancit, which is our version of noodles. We've had a lot of this growing up. It's always a classic staple in every family get-togethers. So for today, we're using Bihon noodles, and I like to mix it up with Canton noodles as well. So I usually have a lot of this with a bit of this, and you can have different toppings. So usually you have it with chicken or fried pork and a lot of veggies like snow peas, cabbage, onions, and lots of garlic and very saucy. So the toppings are limitless. It's all up to you. But for today's recipe, we make it very quick and easy to make. All right, guys, let's start cooking. So let's prepare our veggies, okay? So we have here our snow peas. I just like to cut the ends of the tips of the snow peas because it has like those fiber things at the end. So I'm just gonna cut the tips of it, okay? So just like line them all together and then cut the tips. So you have them like this, all right? Okay, just cutting the ends. Snow peas are done, put them back here. Okay, now let's get our garbage bowl, okay? Okay, so let's get some cabbages as well. Let's cut this in half. Like a quarter of it is fine. So I'm just gonna wash the quarter, okay? And then I'm just gonna cut them into like little tiny ones like this much, this size, okay? You guys see? Just cutting it like this, like that size. All right. Okay, maybe this is a bit too long. So let's cut this in half, okay? There we go. You don't want the fiber and the big branch in the middle or the root. So I'm just putting those away because those are really hard to eat. Okay. All right. So we have that. So yeah, my mom always makes like pancit growing up. And it's like one of her like, must-have dishes. Actually, growing up, I wasn't really big on noodles that much, but I prefer rice. But as I grew older, I just had more appreciation for noodles. So I guess just like growing up, just having different kind of taste, right? So that's done. Now let's wash our carrots, okay? And then let's look for the peeler. All right. So just gonna peel these baby up. Yeah, so you can have your Filipino pancit noodles either like, some people like it like a bit dry. I prefer mine a bit wet. So I don't know, it's just a personal taste preference. So you can just change up the amount of liquids you put in, okay? So yeah, if you've never been to a Filipino get-together party before, Filipino pancit is very, very popular. So you always have a type of noodles in a Filipino get-together. All right, so we have the carrot, just cutting the ends. And then we just julienne it. All right, where is our... Okay, here we go. Okay, let's do this. Oops. Oops. Oop. Ah. Okay, all right. So we go like this. There we go, guys. This is the easiest and quickest way to like julienne it. Okay. If you want it to be thicker, you can definitely spend more time cutting it, but if you want something quick and easy, this is the way to go, okay? There you go. There's your carrots. Okay, one more. Okay, there we go. There's our carrots. And then we'll do our onions and garlic, okay? So carrots. Already got the peeled garlic, so we're just gonna mince it, okay? Okay, there's our garlic. All right, we're mincing our garlic. All right, okay. And then we'll do our onion, okay? Okay. Okay, we'll just chop it. All right. Okay, now let's heat up our noodle pancit pan. Okay. So we'll do medium heat. All right, medium high, olive oil. Okay. Okay, we'll cut our sausages as well. Okay. Yum. All right, put our garlic and then our onions. Then we'll cut our sausages here. So these are like, I just got these Chinese sausages. They're so quick and easy and they're very tasty as well. So we're just gonna cut them into slices. Just like these slices. They're gonna shrink as well All right, sausages are done. And then open up our a box of shrimp as well. So I have here peeled and deveined, deveined. So it's peeled and deveined shrimp as well. All right, so I have it defrosting. All right, just gonna open it up. All right, guys, we're gonna put in our garlic. Okay, it looks orange because there's a bit of carrots in there, so just don't mind that. Okay. All right, guys. All right, it's golden brown. Now put in our onions. Okay, and then we put our shrimp. All right, here's our shrimp. And then we'll put our Chinese sausage. The Chinese sausage is already cooked, so doesn't need a lot of time. Just mix it around like that. Then you can put the cabbage in. Okay. Mix it around. Okay, shrimp's almost done cooking. And then we put in our snow peas, okay? Okay, so the shrimp is pretty much cooked. So we are just gonna take this out, okay? Just gonna transfer it to this, to a Pyrex. And then we're gonna cook the noodles separately, okay? So that this will leave your veggies nice and crispy. All right, so what we'll do is we'll get some of the chicken stock, okay? All right, soy sauce, some oyster sauce, okay? And some ground black pepper, some fish sauce. Okay, let that mix. And then we'll put in our noodles. Okay, we'll put in our noodles like this. Just make sure it's soaked into that, okay? And then we're gonna add some of our Canton, right? Our Canton noodles. Okay, and then we just started to mix it in with the liquid, okay? With our chicken broth mix. Use this one, this. All right, guys, it's soaking in. All right, guys, there we go. It's almost done. It's getting all the liquid in to the noodles. Okay. Okay, you want to make sure it's in the liquid, guys. All right. So there we go, guys. You just mix it in. Make sure it's submerged into the liquid. All of it. All of your noodles are submerged into your liquid. All right, guys. I think this is good. Let's try if the noodles are cooked. Okay, let's give it a try. Yep, it's done. All right, so now we put in our carrots and we'll put in our toppings, okay? So carrots and there's our toppings. All right, we mix. All right, there we go, that's done. Savor with me, Filipino Pancit. All right, guys, I got myself a, oh shoot. All right, guys, I got myself a plate of Filipino Pancit. All right, that's what it looks like. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some lemon. Okay. Okay. Grab my fork. Okay. Let's squeeze some lemon on top. There we go. Savor with me, Filipino Pancit. All right, guys. Cheers. Wow, that is so good. Everything comes together. It's so nice and savory and veggies with the lemon. And it's wildly good. Thanks for watching my video today, and just remember, keep savoring you. See you guys.